what is up? The GOAT is back for another school year and more opportunities to punch your numbers in the face. Alright, today we're going to learn about percentages, how to find them, where they at. Anyway, let's hit the music, let's get rolling. Alright, let's take it piece by piece. Alright, so we got this first piece here, is the 20% part. Alright, now 20% can be written as 20%. It can be written as a fraction, as 20 over 100, because the percentage just, how many over 100. And it can be written as a decimal, as 0.20. And I know, like a bunch of math nerds are screaming their heads off, it's 0.2. Bro, listen, it's just, you slide it over, it's easy to remember. I know people struggle with it, so we're going to put 0.20, right? And all you math nerds can just, just go somewhere. All right, let's look at the next part. Of. All right, for the rest of your life, okay, until the day you die, I want you to remember that of means multiply. Whenever you see of, it means multiply. All right, so we're going to put a dot there because we're old now, right? And we know a dot means multiply, right? Because if you use an X, it's just going to get confusing. All right, now last part is 60. That has nothing we're going to do with that. 60 is going to be 60. All right, now we're just going to follow the cross. Right, we're just going to follow the cross. All right, so we're not going to use 20 over 100. That's too many buttons to push. All right, so we're going to use 0.2. Right, 0.2, put in 0.20 if you want. 0.2 times 60. Bro, that's... All right, and 0.2 times 60 is 12. All right, so let's take a look at this one. 15% of 50. All right, let's do the same thing.
You can do it!
We'll break it down to sections. All right, so I'm not even going to bother with the fraction. We know it's 15 over 100, but we're going to use the decimal, right? So we're just going to slide it over twice. And we got 0.15. Boom. All right. Now the kids in the back, what does of mean? Everyone knows what of means, right? Everybody. Multiply. We're going to put...
We don't die, we multiply.
Put a dot right there. We're going to love dots. Dots are awesome. All right? Now we got 50. Bro, we just leave that sucker alone. Just leave it alone. Let him live. All right? Let him live his life. All right? So we're putting 50. And we're going to pop our equals right there. We're going to pop the equals in. All right? So we got 0.15 times 50. All right? So everyone, you can just go ahead, put in your calculator, or you can just go ahead and trust the GOAT. All right? Either way, you're going to get 7.5. And 15% of 50 is 7.5. All right? Listen. All these problems, right? You're just breaking it down into parts. You're breaking it into parts and it's all easy, man. I'm telling you, I wouldn't lie. All right, this is the GOAT Teachers. I'll catch you next time. Peace.